Do we have any moms in here that wouldn't mind? Oh, good. You're like, yes, I am. I love that. That wouldn't mind me asking them personal questions about childbirth. Love it. Your hand's still up. Love that. Moms are so cool. They're always like, yeah, sure. I'm an open book. Literally. They cracked my spine on the way out. So I would love to share. Okay. How many kids do you have? Two? Nice. How old are they? 16 and 18? Oh, thank God. They're like full people. When people have babies, I freeze up. I'm like, oh, is it water? Has it opened its eyes or has it dried out? They come out pretty slick, right? Yeah. Got a grip on it. Okay. You got teenagers. Did you have your kids out the main terminal? Yeah. Thought that was a classy way of putting it.